Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. So this reading is all about how can I become a better tarot card reader. So let's just rephrase that. How can I become a better card reader? Because normally tarot cards and oracle cards can be used together in one deck. So let's start your reading and let's see what advice they have for you. Okay, lady. Enjoy growth and reap rewards. Okay. This card is very much about growing and expanding. This card is very much related to learning and applying your wisdom as you go along. So there are basically three things that come together when it comes to developing something. One is skill, knowledge, and experience. And once you actually apply that, then you are good to go. Just put that one there. Okay, the next one. Connect with space. Connect with your ancestors. Follow the voice of your soul. Connect with your soul. Connect with who you are and throw away those layers that are not part of you. The layers that are basically part of the ego. Okay? It's very important when it comes to reading cards that you want to become the best version of yourself. Therefore, connect with nature spirits. Connect with nature spirits. Connect with knowledge. Learn. For example, let's say you go and buy a deck, and those decks normally do not have the whole explanation, so you actually go and read up. This is how you expand your knowledge and then apply that in the rest of your readings. Okay. Look past the obvious. Learn to look past the obvious because you can. Once you start seeing through illusions, it becomes easier to understand the meanings of the cards. Even if you do timeless readings yourself, but it's very important to be able to actually look past illusion, because then you can actually see what is hidden from you. Just put those separate. And then connect with the fire within. If this is something that you want to approach or something you might want to go after, it's incredibly important to be able to make that fire stronger. Set your intention, and then all you do is the hard work. This is when things will start changing around. Okay? Hope that is making sense. So the energy of fire basically burns everything away that shouldn't be there. And this can also make it easier to see past illusions. And then grow where you are. Connect with nature, connect with your ancestors, connect with the cycles. If you hear things like, for example, owls, or you hear crows, both of them are connected to the spiritual world, and they will bring you spiritual messages. But as you know, we are all sometimes just a little bit busy in the day, so make time at night to meditate. Make time at night just for yourself. Learn about things like lucid dreaming. As you are aware, um, Earth is not the only place on this planet. There are very many dimensions, and most of the time, for example, dreams, the dream world, we tend to do a lot that we normally don't do, because that's where we go when our bodies shut down at night, and then we dream. But if you don't dream, you probably don't remember it. So therefore, get yourself a dream dictionary, and when you wake up, note down every single thing that you can remember. But lucid dreaming might actually help you know who your spirit guides are and know which energies are around you. Heal all broken hearts. Let go of all grief, sadness related to not only this lifetime but past lifetimes as well. Um, the problem with storing emotions like that is that eventually it's going to affect your heart, and that is what you need to be able to share your message. Because once you understand that we are all connected, once you understand that everything is connected, you will also understand that things like hate, anger, anxiety, things like that are not things that's going to help you as a tarot card reader. And then grow and expand. This message is very important. You have to start somewhere. As you can see, number 10, okay? This number is a card of new beginnings, but this number is also important because this is showing that just as corn, just as vegetables are growing and then eventually they are harvested, this is where you start, and eventually whatever you have worked on will harvest or manifest in your reality. Get to flow with the energies, become like the energies, connect with the energies, and know that you are going to need energy more than everything else, because energy is what keeps us going. As spiritual beings having a human experience, we have to understand that sleep is not the only way of getting energy. You have got all the energy that you think you will ever need, and most of it is locked inside your body. Most of it is locked inside where all those emotions are stored, and this is important to let them go, because not only will this liberate you, but this will actually help you to connect with other sources of energy. Your own energy is incredibly important. Guard your heart at all times. Protect your heart. Share your energy. I know that there's, for example, if you think about it, a lot of very, very big channels on, YouTube, and a lot of these tarot card readers, all of them had to go through their own journey. But they thought, you know what, this is what I'm going to do because this is what is making me happy. This is what is bringing purpose into my life, and I'm going to share my energy with others. Therefore, keep that in mind, because make energy your biggest friend. Okay, this card teaches us to, this is very much related to the water, to be able to adapt, to be able to move anywhere anytime. This card is very much related to the 3D and being able to move past other timelines. Connect with who you used to be, and this is going to make it far easier for you to understand what your purpose is. Okay, let me just put those there. And then, as you can see, this card is all about connecting, protecting your energy, developing a psychic shield, developing a shield that can guard you from other energies, because there are not only energies on earth, there are energies in other, shall I say, dimensions. There are also energies related to dreaming, all those energies that we probably take with us or take back with us, that become like, how can I say, attachments, parasites, and that can also take our energy. So guard your energy at all times. Connect with the sky. The sky is, I think there's a fifth energy, if I'm not mistaken. It's called ether energy. This is the energy of spirit. Normally, if you have connected with the element of earth, fire, water, air, then you get the element of sky, which is called ether element, the ether element. And it becomes easier because this is very much related to your crown, or your crown chakra. Your crown is where all the messages will be coming through, and where your guardians will be connecting with you. You have got an incredible amount of knowledge to share. This is not only knowledge that you have acquired in this lifetime, but this is also something that are related to your ancestors. If you have worked on releasing any karma, chances are that they actually want to say thank you, and they want to give you this. So that energy is, or that wisdom is stored within you. And by letting go of all these negative energies, this is going to make it possible to be able to use their wisdom with your wisdom. And then shift your perception. Remember this previous card that I've shown you, shift your perception. This card is very much related to how you see things. Fly higher than anybody else. Look past illusions. Look at things from a different point of view, and this is going to make it easier to understand why certain things happen and why we sometimes are stuck with other things that we don't want to have, because they are very much related. There is, for example, how can I say, a tie to everything else. And then be committed and devoted. You have made this choice to walk this path. Therefore, there are many things that you are going to have to do to be able to get to exactly where you want to be. And the first thing is to basically pay it forward, share your energy, and then you are going to not only start helping people, the universe will recognize this, and the universe will help you to be able to get to where you want to be. Never ever compare yourself to anybody else, because you are not anybody else. You are somebody very unique with very unique skills, and it's important to know what those skills are to be able to use them with your current skills. Focus on connecting with Earth. Focus on expansion. Also focus on becoming who you used to be once before, a long time ago. This is going to, as you see here, fire. Remember this card, fire. Then we get this one. These are very, very important cards, but they are all just guidelines. Connect to the lower world. The lower world is not 3D. The lower world is where our ancestors are residing. The lower world is the world where we can travel to at night. This is also the world that can help you to acquire extra knowledge and being able to help extra or maybe do something that you've never done before. There's a lot of energies on this planet that are stuck. They are not even alive anymore, but they are stuck on this planet because they don't know that they have passed on and somebody needs to help them to move over. But being able to do something like that is also being able to connect with who you are. Another card, I just want to put that one there. The 7 chakras. Okay, those are very, very important. The chakras are what helps us to connect the different energy centers in our body so that energy can flow not only from earth but from above and below as well. So healing those chakras, connecting them is incredibly important because this is also going to help you as a tarot card reader. I just want to mention one last thing. Can you remember this card? So this card is very much related to being able to see deeper. So the reason for this deck is to mainly help you to understand that once you can see past the obvious, once you can see past illusions, the 3D, the matrix, the chances are very good that you will be able to take hold of your purpose, that you will be able to get exactly what you want. And the universe unfortunately don't always give us a map, so therefore this is why it's important to learn and apply as we go along. So I really hope that this reading has brought you some clarity, and welcome to all my new subscribers. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share it if this can help anybody else. Thank you guys. Bye bye.